In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a backlog in ClickUp step by step using a ready-made template. This is perfect if you want a clean, organized place to store ideas, tasks, and upcoming work without building everything from scratch. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account using your workspace credentials. Once you're inside ClickUp, look at the left sidebar and click on the option to create a new space. This is where your backlog will live. When prompted to name the space, type in Backlog so it's easy to identify later. After naming the space, continue through the setup until you reach the option to use templates. Click on Use Templates to save time instead of creating everything manually. In the template search bar, type Backlog and browse through the available backlog templates provided by ClickUp. Once you find a template that fits your needs, click on it to preview the structure and details. If it looks good, go ahead and click on Use Template. ClickUp will then ask you to select a location for this template. Choose the space or folder where you want your backlog to be created. Finally, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now automatically create your backlog with predefined lists, statuses, and workflows. From here, you can start adding tasks, prioritizing items, and customizing the backlog to match your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a backlog in ClickUp using a template. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp guides.